If you can tell me where this is in Sharjah, let me know in the comment section. I got a reward for you. Just tell me where this particular place is in Sharjah. I got a reward for you. Welcome back. So in our previous video, we walked you through the process of how we bought the car and tried to get the car into the garage. Finally got it into the garage. Now we have to go to where we can get the parts and negotiate. And that's the guy helping us today, Usman, and he already gave us a quote. So with this, we'll be able to figure out what we want to get and what we want to do. Usman, hi, say hello to the camera.
Hi.
So Usman owns the Bangladesh Auto Repair Workshop shop. That's it there. That's the phone number too. You can hit them up in case you get something you want to repair. It's located here in Sharjah, the United Arab Emirates. Hit them up. We always get a good price and they fix your car 100 for you. Next, we got to where we're supposed to get the parts. It looks pretty organized. Reminds me of Ladipo in Lagos. Due to their best known reasons, we cannot video them and show you the negotiation process, but we are hoping to get the best price out of the deal here and possibly get everything back into the garage. And we finally got our hands on some of the parts, if not all of them. Anyone missing, we'll have to call them to replace. I'm preferring to get the parts because it's better I get them from an existing salvage car than getting a brand new one, because we're on a budget and I believe if it's already working on previous parts, it's going to work on ours. We've not even been up to like 3 hours. We've already fixed the bonnet. We've already connected the connectivity by the side. Man, this is fast. I think I'm going to get this thing in less than a week. Hopefully it works. Baba, thank you. Mabu. Upon our return, they've already started working on the arm, which was extremely damaged before, and we started loosening the dashboard, which had 2 busted airbags. So what's up guys, welcome back. It's been 3 days since we dropped the car off and the parts to fix them. Let's see the progress they've made. Let's check it out. So we're back, and so far there's been a lot of improvement on the welded. This comes with the welded this side back. The whole place was all pressed up before, so we had to buy a new one. As you can see on the screen, we had to buy a new one of this. And we're taking some parts of the AC out. It looks like a lot of progress is still going to be done on it, but so far what was really alarming for me, they've attended to that quite quickly. Hassan here is the one fixing it. Hi Hassan, say hello. So far the seat is, we actually have another seat and it can be fixed. It can actually be fixed, so we have to buy a whole new seat for it. That can be readjusted. You got the fenders, the whole dashboard, and the upper bumper. This entire dashboard will have to be changed. We have it there. Not bad. It's the AC cable or AC whatever the gas flows through. That's it. And thank God it's not damaged. If not, we would have had to buy another one. But not bad actually. So we got the final parts. I think maybe the tires and the rims remaining. And we'll see where we go from there. Yeah. So far so good. Now everything about that leg has finally been fixed. It's time to spray it. They are putting everything back into shape. As you can see, the tire has already been placed on that leg. They are still going to change the windscreen, which will be done shortly. I like the speed at which these guys are actually moving. Although we actually had like a 1 week holiday due to the Salah, but we're back and everybody is attending to this car. I'm impressed. They fixed the engines yesterday?
Yes.
So now the legs?
Already for the painting today.
What about the dashboard?
Sorry?
Dashboard.
That will bring tomorrow, after tomorrow we can do.
The dashboard tomorrow or after tomorrow?
There is welding is finished. So we are fixing
Okay,
on
they
the
fix this. So now you just need to fix the leg and then put the bumper.
I have some alignment. Fixing all
Come take a look.
yeah.
So that arm is fixed.
We will change this one.
Full arm, okay.
It need to be
Welded, okay. Will you spray?
yes, tomorrow.
Go spray this?
Tomorrow
Okay.
we are welding and after going to send to paint.
Painting. That's after tomorrow. But that dashboard,
This welding finish after we are fixing the light.
okay, after this fix, okay. After the spraying too, before you fix the dashboard. So dashboard will be last.
Yes.
Dashboard will be last. This leg, will you do it today?
Not today, tomorrow.
So what are you doing today?
Today is coming the painter. It's welding, alignment.
Alignment
After
welding.
fixing the dashboard, the mechanical.
Okay. And there's no possibility you fix the leg today.
Today is vacation.
Huh?
My painter is today vacation.
Okay, your painter is on vacation today. But if the painter is on vacation, he'll do the leg.
Inshallah, with that. First need to be welding, no? That's why.
Yeah, after the welding.
Alignment, welding is finished. After we are fixing the everything.
Okay, alignments, welding, fixing for today. And tomorrow paint job. Tomorrow, right?
Yes.
Tomorrow paint job. The dashboard comes last. He has done the airbags on the seats and on the steering. Did he do the steering? No, he hasn't done the steering airbag. And that means he has to do 2 airbags remaining. Steering airbags is missing. Not done yet.
But
Steering.
okay.
That will be the dashboard. Just cover steering. That will be the dashboard. Well, so far nothing happened to the radiator. Thank God for that. The bumper, half of it is there. On the other side is there. Some are lying on top of the car. But hopefully they'll be able to change the glass, fix the leg. The leg is the most important thing right now in this car. If they're able to fix this leg, I'm good. They're fixing this leg tomorrow. They replace the bumper. You can see it's coming back into shape gradually. They put on the upper lights. The lower lights come with the bumper. Side mirrors, the dashboard. Hopefully in the next couple of days we should be ready and we should be back on the road. When it gets back, we'll take it for road testing and road worthiness. We can't just fix the car and throw it back on the road. We'll have to go through the government and see if it is road worthy. Hopefully we pass that test too. But so far so good. Let me see you. The entire body works has been done. In our next video, we're going to show you how we got the car roadworthy, cleaned, and unveiling it. Thank you for watching. This is Dfineluxury.